Are you getting an access deny error in Amazon S3? In this video, I'll show you how to make your S3 object public so it can be accessed by its URL. Let's get started. Let's search for S3 and open the Amazon S3 service. Alright, I'll open the bucket we created in the previous video. Inside this bucket, I have already an image uploaded. So let's click on the image. Now on this page, you will see something called object URL. Think of this as the web address for this file. So let's copy the URL and open it in the new browser tab. As you can see, we get an access deny message. So why is this happening? By default, Amazon S3 blocks public access to help your file secured. That means even if someone has the URL, they still won't be able to open the file unless you give them a permission. Now let's fix that. I'll go back to my bucket and open the permission tab. Near the top, you will see block public access. This setting is enabled by default on every new bucket. To allow public access, click Edit and I'll uncheck Block all public access. AWS displays this warning because making file public means anyone on the internet cloud access them if they have the link. For this demo, that's exactly what we want. So I'll go ahead and I'll acknowledge the warning and click Save Changes. All right, we're halfway there. But if we try the object URL again right now, it still won't work. That because we also need to tell Amazon S3 who is allowed to access the object in this bucket. So let's scroll down to Bucket Policy and click Edit. Now I'll paste in a bucket policy that allows public read access. Don't worry about typing this yourself. I have included the complete bucket policy in the comment below. So you can simply copy and paste it into your bucket policy editor. However, before saving, make sure you place the bucket name with your own bucket name. So once that's done, click Save Changes. Perfect, our bucket is now configured to allow public access. So now let's go back to the image. And I'll copy the same object URL and open it in a new browser tab. And there we go. The image loads successfully. So now anyone with this URL can view this image. Before we wrap up, there's one important thing to remember. Making object public is useful for things like website images, downloadable file, or content you intentionally want to share. But you should never make sensitive or private file publicly accessible. Only enable public access when it's actually needed. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Cloud Launchpad for more beginner-friendly AWS tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.